Yeah. Hello, this is Andrew Davey at Nevada Ford, and we're here with Laura Packard. Thanks for coming back to join us.
Thanks.
So a lot has happened in the past month and the month since we last spoke. The Senate rejected Trump Care, yet Dean Heller was one of the 49 votes for it. Well, first off, how did you feel as that was going down?
I felt betrayed because Senator Heller is my senator, and my life depends on having insurance. I have stage 4 cancer, and I have talked to his office. I made a viral video. I wrote an op-ed in the U.S. News and World Report. I have tried to get a hold of him, and there's nobody home. He just doesn't care.
Yeah, it was bizarre to say the least, especially just about a month after he stood with Governor Sandoval saying that he would essentially reject a motion to proceed on what he ended up voting for.
Mm-hmm. He has no spine. He's trying to make everybody happy, and he makes nobody happy. If he had principles, if he had morals, if he stood for something, I think people would have more respect for him. But now he's getting it from both sides because he stands for nothing.
Now, of course, since then, Senator Heller and his staff have said that he delivered on what he promised. He voted for a bill without Medicaid cuts. So why are people angry at him?
People are angry at him because we have been panicked about our own health insurance for months. He could have stopped this months ago by saying that he would not vote for any bill that doesn't offer better coverage than we have today. But instead, they come up with bill after bill that takes coverage away from people that need it. And it doesn't matter which version of Trump Care he voted for, they're all bad, just in different ways.
Now, Senator Heller has signed onto a new bill, along with Senators Graham and Cassidy. Recent analysis shows that if it were to become law, Nevada stands to lose as much as $250 million. So what do you make of this? Again, just 2 months after he stood with Governor Sandoval and seemed to agree with the governor, and so far the governor has not given his seal of approval to this new bill that Heller's pushing.
Heller is spineless. He's trying to come up with something, anything that will excuse the flip-flopping around he's done on Nevada. And so this latest bill is just his version of trying to say he's for something. But all of these plans are bad. All of these plans will hurt people like me with pre-existing conditions. He needs to start from scratch, talk to our other senator, Senator Cortez Masto, and come up with something that will help Nevadans, not hurt them.
So, what would you like Senator Heller to support instead? Something that could actually help you, help other Nevadans with pre-existing conditions, and provide some sort of sense of security for the Nevadans who depend on programs like Medicaid and Planned Parenthood.
Yes, Obamacare is a good start. I don't think that anybody would say that it's finished. Insurance is still not affordable for many people, which is something that they could be working on, lowering premiums, lowering deductibles, making sure that people have their essential health benefits so that their insurance is more than just a piece of paper. If your insurance doesn't cover hospitalization, what good is it? So that's something that Senator Heller could and should be working on, but they are all starting from the idea that they need to give tax cuts to corporations and their rich donors, and then how they pay for those tax cuts are on the backs of the rest of us.
Mm-hmm. And finally, just a few minutes ago, you and Cindy were upstairs at Senator Heller's office. Why did you come here on a hot Wednesday morning. And what was this retirement package you had for him?
We're here to, since Senator Heller has not stood up for us, we're here to retire him. So we gave him several flip-flops that should fit every member of his family, some lovely lays so that he can kick back on the beach. Maybe not in Las Vegas, but there are many fine beaches at our hotels and casinos. He doesn't seem to like the Las Vegas area very much, but if he were to ever be here, there are beaches that he could enjoy. I don't think we had any alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverages, but I'm not sure what his preferences are.
Yeah.
So I think that with the taxpayer-paid salary that we have outfitted him with, he can afford his own alcoholic beverages.
Okay.